In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a HubSpot developer account. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, which is developers.hubspot.com, and from here you want to click on create a developer account in the top right. Now the easiest way to do this is going to be to actually already have a HubSpot account, which I do. If you don't, I do have a separate video teaching you exactly on how to create a new account step by step from beginning to a full account. Okay, so whenever you do this, you can just go and click on continue with this user when you sign in with your account, or just basically use the email you are using, or create a new one if you want to as well. Now I'm going to click on continue with this user and then continue with this account over here as well. And there we go. As you can see, you can start your tour if you want to. It's going to take you through, and that's going to be kind of your development over here inside HubSpot. Okay, so that's literally how easy it is. But if you do have your account already, it's going to be super simple as well. So we can just go down here at the bottom left, click on development, and this is going to open up this development. And in here, basically, it's going to be connected to your account. It's going to tell you everything, of course, about this, about how to get started. And that's essentially how to get your account, how to create your account for HubSpot developer. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.